So we will talk about a series of trial with a stopping rule. What that means is that we have a box which has 10 items and 3 of them are bad items and 7 of them are good items. The question is that you draw one item, check it if it is good or bad, and then draw the next from the remaining 9, and then draw again from the remaining 8, and then we continue till I get one bad item. So objective is to find out how many items I need to draw before I get one bad item. So say 1, 2 and 3 are bad items and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are good items. So if you pick an item and you get a 1 or a 2 or a 3, you stop right there. So the possibility of the first bad outcome, the possibility of a bad outcome or bad item that you can find in the first draw, because each of them would have each equal probability, is 1 by 10, 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. So that will be 3 out of 10 in the first draw. But you can also get a 4 and then a 1, or you can get a 5 and then a 2. So the first possibility of getting a bad is 3 out of 10. What about second? So so let's say you get a 4 and a 1. So the first space in this can be filled by 10 items, and the second space can be filled by 9 items. So the total sample space would be 10 times 9 or 90 possibilities. Now for the good one in the first place, there are 7 ways to get a good one in the first place, and there are so good one in the first place, seven ways. And what are the ways to get a bad one in the second place? There are 3 ways to get a bad one in second place. So there are total 21 possibilities of this combination from happening out of the total 90. So the possibility of this event is 21, and out of the total sample space is 90. So that is 21 out of 90 is that you will find the first bad outcome in the second draw. Now let's look at the possibility for a good and bad. So again, we have the first space can be filled in 10 possible ways. The second space can be filled in 9 possible space, and the third space by 8. So the total sample space is going to be 720. And as far as the outcome is concerned, there are 7 ways you can get the first good outcome. There is 6 ways you can get the second good outcome, and there would be 3 ways you can get the third as a bad outcome. So that's going to be 126. So the probability that the first bad outcome is found in the third draw is 126 over 720, and this is how you can calculate if the first bad outcome is found in whichever draw.